Well, temperatures are still on the chilly side across the Upper Peninsula as we have that cool northwesterly flow still blowing in out of Canada, but changes are on the way as we make our way into tomorrow. Things look to get a lot warmer for us, and we'll see a few more clouds as our next disturbance starts to push in out of the northwest. But for the time being, we are very clear. Those clear skies brought very cold temperatures this morning, but right now we are at 64 degrees, mostly clear, north-northeast winds at 13 miles per hour. Across the rest of the region, 64 for us in Marquette. Off to the west, well, temperatures are a little warmer as you go south. Here, 72 degrees in Crystal Falls and in Florence, 67 for us in Ironwood, 66 in Ontonagon, and for us off to the east, well, we are in the lower 60s at 62 in Munising, 68 in Escanaba, and a cool 64 in Ishpeming. But winds, they're a little breezy, not quite as windy as what we have seen over the past couple of days. 13 for us in Houghton, 12 from the south in Munising, and 15 in Iron Mountain, just reinforcing that cooler and drier air mass. And across the entire state, we're seeing 60s and 70s, 74 for us in Iron Mountain. Farther off to the south here in northern lower Michigan, 64 in Gaylord, 74 in Grand Rapids, and 72 farther south in Flint. So as we go ahead and talk about what will be happening tonight, and even as we head closer to the weekend, we're going to be expecting the chilly air to work its way in as we'll have overnight lows in the low to mid 40s again. Temperatures are going to be really spiking tomorrow as we'll be expecting highs back in the mid to upper 70s. So a very, very warm day in comparison to what we have been seeing over this week. And even watching for rain as we start off the weekend. That next chance of rain does come in throughout the night on Friday night and on into early Saturday. But after that, we're not going to be seeing that the rain lasts for long, but either is the cool or the warm air. As we take a look at our setup, high pressure just off to our south. That has provided more of that northerly flow out of Canada, but things are beginning to heat up just off to our west. Our next rain chance is going to be making its way in from the northwest, but for tomorrow, we look to be very clear yet again, as Friday will bring us a mostly dry day. But let's go ahead and take a look at Futurecast and seeing when that rain will make its way in. The cool air is in place for tonight, but a few more clouds start to stream in throughout the day for us on Friday, but really becoming mostly cloudy throughout Friday night. There goes our chance of rain going through Friday night, early Saturday morning, and then we'll clear out yet again going to Saturday evening, and maybe a few more clouds onto Saturday night, but most of the rain chances will be well off to our south. For tonight, 46 degrees for our low, clear, cool, and quiet. Winds are going to be on the calm side for us on Friday. Expect more of that southwesterly flow at 5 to 15 miles per hour, and that is what is going to be helping temperatures to really warm up. 82 for us in Florence, 78 in Lawrence, 80 degrees in Ontonagon, and 76 for us in Marquette. But don't get used to these type of temperatures too long, because look at our 7-day forecast. 76 on Friday, but then dropping off to 70 on Saturday, 62 on Sunday, and then we'll rebound as we start off the next work week.